Hi everyone! I did buy 2 mystery box from Simple Story, and I wish that they would have put the stuff into like bags, especially since I bought 2. So the only thing dividing it is a piece of paper. So here is box 1, and I did like browse down here, and there is another paper down here that says this is box 2 starting. So let's dive in and see what I got in this box. So in box number 1, right on top, we have 3 different washies. So this is from Winter Wonder. It tells you right there. Hope you can see it through the glare. And I think I actually have this or something very similar. So I'm excited for that. And then we have Vintage Love Story. This is so my vibe right here with the dark and the butterflies. And I'll hear the music paper with the flowers and stamps. I love me some stamps. So love those. Then this one is beachy. I live in California, so palm trees definitely makes me think of home. And I like the little waves right here. This orange kind of looks like a wood grain, but it's an orange, so that's pretty interesting. This one's probably my least favorite out of all of those. Oh, I have stamps. Oh, I have 2. Oh, no, I have 1 stamp. Oh, nice. I wonder if it's all going to coordinate. So just looking right here, the Winter Wonder. So there's the stamp. There is a 22-piece little ephemera, and then I have the washi here. So I'm wondering if all of this is going to match to these 3. Okay, so now we got to find out and see. Now I'm really excited. So right here we have a Hello Winter, the little bear, Winter Wonder, Burr, Let It Snow. I'm in California. We don't have snow at all. I mean, I guess I could go out to the mountains, which is like a couple of hours from me. So I might have to do that one year. And then over here, oh, okay, so it's like big ephemera pieces to do a scrapbooking page layout. So there's our little ephemera pieces for that. Okay, I see another piece that goes with that. So we have transfer sheets. There's 2 of them. Oh, are they different? Oh, yes, they are. Oh, the blue flower. I actually missed that. Oh, so cute. Want to build a snowman. Let's see. These are really cute. I love this like little like typewriter font right here. Okay, love that this is all coordinating into like one kit. Oh, wait, there's a stencil. I wonder if this is supposed to go with that. There's a little stencil there. We have ephemera. So this is from Little Things. It says right there. So we got flowers and strawberries, very like spring. Ooh, I could actually use this with like some Maggie Home stuff too. And same with this one. Like the little bird is giving me like Maggie Home vibes. So here's our ephemera for that one. Oh, nice. I actually have the paper pad. So what is this? A 6x8? Yeah, 6x8. And here are the patterns. Oh, there's blue flowers in there. Oh, and strawberries. Cute. Oh, it's taped down here. Okay, so I decided to cut it open because it says it's double-sided. So I wanted to see what it looked like. Oh, that's pretty. If I did like an embellishment book, I'd put this as like my cover. That's really pretty. Oh, but there's the strawberries. I like that. And then the lemon. We actually have a lemon festival here that I like going to. These are pretty pages. Oh, look at the little bees. Oh, there's my blue paper. Oh, I didn't see that one the first time. That's cute. Looks like gardening. Oh, super cute. Love it. Okay, so there's that. Oh, wait, there's more for that collection. So these are chipboard pieces. And that's what those look like. Super cute. I like how they put the photo of the family down here. That's really cute. Okay. We got another 6x. Oh, it goes to that other winter one. Oh, that's freaking awesome. So here are all of my papers. I should have made a pile of all that winter stuff so I can see in the end like how much came from that collection. This one is Spring Garden. Oh, I love this. This is really pretty. I wish that bingo card was blue or even like a gray. Oh, of course, there's like a coffee one over here and it's in pink. I'm not a pink girly, so that kind of makes me sad. But these are really cute. Oh, yes. Look, I have chipboard pieces for that winter collection. So here's what those look like. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I totally needed to start a pile just for that one. Oh, these are fun. So vintage essentials, like little typewriter keys. That is cute. Oh, and then it's in white. Oh my gosh, this is so my vibe. Like this could totally go into my Tim Holtz box. I feel like that would go perfectly with that. We have, these are interesting. They're like kind of like chipboard, but like 3D. I can't tell if you can see that there's layers. So there's like this background piece, then this bird is another piece, then this bird is another piece. So there's like 3 layered pieces right there. With this right here, so there's like 1, 2, 3 here, and then over here it's 1, 2, 3 as well. That's interesting. I don't think I've ever seen or had layered chipboard pieces. That's really interesting. I wonder if I could take it apart to get more pieces out of it. Or am I going to like mess it up? We're going to find out. Like, can I carefully peel this part off that says story and then get what's on the bottom? Oh my gosh. Am I going to be able to do it? Nope. It started to rip. Oh man, that's a bummer. That would have been awesome if I would have been able to pull these apart and use it. Nope, they glued it way too good. Okay, but how fun would that have been if I could have been able to pull them apart and not ruin the bottom piece and then gotten more pieces? That'd be really cool. Oh, I wonder if I heat it up with like a hair dryer to kind of like loosen the glue. Okay, I might have to try that. So here we go, more Valentine's Day. This is Love Story. This is the ephemera pieces right here. So this matches this. And then this is the Spring Garden one. So this matches the other collection that we had earlier. Ooh, more chipboard for the Spring Garden. Oh, look at the little bunny in the teacup. So, so cute. Really, really cute. Ooh. These are like thicker stickers. So this is for the Love Story. Nice and thick foam stickers. Super cute. Oh, P.S. I love you. That's cute. Oh my gosh. I am so happy that I bought these. I am hoping that they are different. These are really cute too. I did see right now that I showed you guys that there is a paper on the bottom that says box number 2, and there was Halloween in there. So I cannot wait to open box number 2. So I'm really hoping that there is different stuff in each of these. And if there is, I'm going to be sad that I only bought 2. I want to say that I spent like $100 for both of them. I should have looked. Oh my gosh, a little postage with a little chickie. There's like camera too. Oh, look, like a little traveler's notebook. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. Oh, there's 12 by 12 in here. So this goes to the Love Story, and it's just plain 12 by 12 paper. Oh my gosh, I'm still on box number 1. Oh, here's that beachy theme. Travel with me. I love that one. I need like 20 of just those. Very pink though. Like, I love the plain, and it says I love traveling, but it's pink. It's still really cute. We got a little stamp set. Make a splash. That's cute. Hello, sunshine. Soak up the sun. Good vibes. That's probably like all I would use is like the words from this. I don't think I really use any of the like images. Oh, nice. You can see right there what they look like. Oh, there's a little wave stencil. Cute. It's funny, I'm in California and like literally less than 10 minutes from the beach, and I hardly ever go to the beach because our water's nasty here. But yeah, I'm not really a beach person. When I was younger we used to go, but now it's, if you know, the whole California like sewage thing is just gross, so I don't go to our beach. I don't trust it. What is this? Oh, summer. I love these like little like faux brads right here. They're just like foam sticky on the back of them. Oh, the little watermelon. Love that. Here's some more beachy ones. I don't know, it's giving me like Palm Spring vibes. Oh, I love that one. Oh, vacation. I love that it's in blue. See, I can see myself using some of this, but not all of it. And that's my problem is instead of like putting stuff away and just keeping it all, I need to start destashing. Like I need to take what I would use and then destash the rest. If I'm not going to use it, why am I letting it take up space? And I am maxed out. As much as I say I'm maxed out of space, I keep buying more stuff, which is awful. So yeah, I need to figure out a system on what to do. So we have some paper here. Okay, let's open this up. And this is the last item. Now I see my little paper that says mystery box number 2, but I want to see what's in here. Okay, so I'm curious if all of this is going to be summer themed. So here is our summer cut apart. Oh my gosh, I love this. In Finding Nemo, the little birdies are like mine, 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 mine. I have like a shirt and a jacket that say that, so this reminds me of Finding Nemo. So I love this. I would not be cutting this apart. I'm gonna leave it for the Nemo ride at Disneyland. This one is part of the summer collection. Okay, so I think it might be all summer. I don't really care for this. I don't know what this is. Some kind of like little chart thing. Then polka dots. Oh my gosh, I wish they would have given me more of the little like bird page. When Sunny was younger, he knew that I loved the little birds, like saying mine, mine, mine. So he'd go, mom, 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 mom. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like these little like cut aparts on here. What's on the back of this? Oh, good. That's ugly. I don't like that. So I'll happily cut that one up. Oh, the little tags are cute. Oh, fun. So I like stuff like this because I would have this like be facing up and then I would write like a little memory of the day on the back, so it's kind of like hidden. So I think that's really fun. Some more cut aparts, and the last page is some more cut aparts. Oh, I like this page though. Alright guys, so that is everything that I got in this first mystery box. Come back and stay tuned. I will do the second mystery box and we'll see what we have over there. Like I said, this page is basically covering everything that is down there, but I did see some Halloween, so I'm really excited for that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know, did you guys get one of these boxes and what did you get? I love finding out what you guys got. All right, see you later. Bye guys.